Ashley from Naughty to Reviews, and today we're here with Allure Beauty Box. This is my December and January because the mail and life. The mail is so far behind that I got my December Allure Beauty Box just a week or two ago. And then by that time I knew this one was coming, and so I just was like, you know what, we're just going to consolidate and make it one video. There will be 2 reviews on my blog. This is a monthly beauty subscription box curated by the editors of Allure magazine. Each box is $23. They have recently changed their model, and now you get more full-size products. I can't tell you exactly how many do pay for the subscription. It is a nice one. I want to start with the December box. I think this is, hello. I think this is the January. I'm not sure. We're going to figure that out as we go along. Actually, I could probably just look at the... Or not. Okay, let's see here. I would like some confirmation, please. I think this is... Well... Oh my goodness. Happy returns. All right, we're gonna go and say that we're just gonna, oh, you guys will know which one if you subscribe. If not, it's a fun guess. One of these is from December and one of them is January. Anyway, everyone comes with a mini magazine. I know someone will tell me down in the comments below. I think this one here is the January box, just because of the dates on the coupons. They always have like a coupon associated with the items if you want to purchase it on their website. And these are closer to the date that we're at. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I will look at that at the end. Here is a Mani Me $30 gift card, I guess. Oh, that's actually kind of exciting. That's cute. I like that. Order them. I wonder if you have to pay shipping. I don't know. All right, first up we have Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. So that's a really nice product. I don't use a lot of peel gels, so I don't know that I'm gonna use this a lot. This does have a CHA7 complex, an exclusive peptide formula that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. Very cute. Excuse me. I had Taco Bell for lunch. All right, anyway. We're gonna keep on keeping on. All right, this is a Base Blue Tiny Blender Mini Air Sponge. So these are really good to get in the corners of your eyes and like just all the little, like the little crooks of your nose, the places where you can't usually get your normal beauty blender. This is cute, and it's like a little white color, like a beige taupe, I guess, color. All right, next we have, this is True and Luscious Super Moisture Lipstick with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and it is in the vintage rose color. This is a brand I've never heard of before. True and Luscious. All right, let's see here. Ooh, it's got the metal. I love metal lipstick tubes. There's just something very, ooh, that's pretty. Here, let's put it right. Oh, vintage rose. I don't know that I would call that vintage rose. It's more like a rusty color, but it is pretty and it's very creamy. All right. There is an item from L'Occitane. Am I saying that right? I never know. What if you could reset your skin in just one night? Our nighttime serum puts dull skin to bed. No wonder it's bought once every minute worldwide. This is their Reset Nuit Huile and Serum. Immortal Reset. So it's going to give you smoothed fine lines, revitalized skin, and a youthful radiance. And then there is a 10% off coupon code if you decide to buy the full size. The packaging is super cute, that ombre purple to yellow. I like it a lot. All right, final item here. This is the Beauty Crop, a blush duo. I want to see. I hate when the boxes are hard to open and you gotta like rip it. I want to have the box, you know? All right. Blush Duo. There. Oh, there's like a little thing on it. right, so one is a cream and one is a powder. Where am I going to put it? Here, we'll put it on this hand. So the cream is really creamy, and it's, I love these. Look at that, just a pretty hue. And give you like a natural flush. And then the powder goes along with it. And that's like pretty pigmented for a blush. But that's nice. I'll use that a lot. I actually think that the cream is really pretty. All right, so let's look at the prices and see what everything's valued at. All right. Right here. Of this box, I should say. Because we still have another one. All right, the Saturday Skin is $28. The full side L'Occitane is $59. There was an alternative product, the Immortal Divine Cream, not the serum, and that's $110 for a full size. The stick-on gels, which I'm actually excited. You just go and order. I love that. And they say the last up to 2 weeks, that's valued at $15 to $25. The lipstick is $22, the blush duo is $10, and the base blue air sponge is $7. So that's a really nice box, and it comes in at a reasonable price. So if you're trying to get a nice beauty box and you do want more full size items, you know, and some sample size, this might be something that you really think about. So let's move on to our second box. Let's see what's in here. All right, so here's our little magazine. Everyone comes with this. And first up we have a Ciate London 9-piece eyeshadow palette. This is the isn't that pretty? Oh, I think that's so pretty. I love the packaging. It's cute. I have a lot of Ciate products. So this is, ooh, there's so many like a lot of jewel tones. Actually, it's like February. It has like a very February vibe, that Valentine's Day love kind of theme. I don't know the name of this. We'll find out in the box. It doesn't say. Huh. All right, well, there's that. Telex and mattes for intensely dazzling shades. Those are really pretty. I kind of want to play with them. All right. All right. Next up, we have the La Roche-Posay Retinol Serum. I'm pretty sure I have this somewhere. They come a lot in these boxes, these little La Roche-Posay serums, creams, whatever. They're nice. They're not anything like life-changing. All right. This is my second item from Mud Masky. I have to tell you, we received, I think, BoxyCharm, the Mud Masking like scalp exfoliator. I really love that. It kind of, I'll be honest, when you were a kid, if you ever took kaopectate, if your parent ever gave that, just being honest, it smells like kaopectate, which is weird, but it's true. So this is Leave Me On Winter Mask. I don't know, is this only for, are they only a hair brand? No, this is for your face. So Leave Me On Winter Mask. This is pH balance, protects, moisturize, ultra repair, nourishing, and anti-aging. So that's exciting. I will definitely use this. As you guys know, I have really dry skin. It was really windy here the other day, and my whole face was red. My lips were red. Like, it just, I don't know how it happens. It's, I go out for like 2 minutes, and the weather just does me in. So something like this is really nice. I want to try that out. All right, here we have, this is Beauty Loot. What is beauty? Is that just an extra item? That's Thank you. We hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing you how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member. All right. So this is the Amore Pacific Time Response Eye Reserve Cream. So it's an eye cream, and I think I said to you guys past few videos, I've been just using eye cream like it's nobody's business, because it ain't nobody's business. My eyes are getting old. I've been noticing little fun lines there, and I've just been paying attention to them and giving my face some extra love with some eye cream. So there's that. All right, next up we have the Caudalie Venosource Serum. This is a thirst quenching cream. I think I had one, not this one because it didn't look like this, but I did have something of their Venosource. I didn't remember it like really blowing my hair back, as my husband would say, but I'll try it out. Then we have the Cetaphil Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. So this is a day cream. I'm guessing it's lightweight and kind of water-based. Nice, but I don't really get into those sorts of creams. And then we have finally the Black Liquid Eyeliner from By Me, my beauty brand. I've never heard of this brand, but I do, now that I have LASIK, I do like trying these out. And that tip is really like, check it out. It's almost like the Slick With It, the Hank and Henry. I love, that's my favorite liquid eyeliner. So let's go over the pricing. All right, the Ciate palette is $24. The Mud Masky is $45.85. Wow, that's actually really cool. Is that full size? Yeah, that's full size. That's nice. The Caudalie full size would be $49. Obviously, that's not full size. The eyeliner is $22. And the La Roche-Posay full size would be $39. The Cetaphil, I think, is just a little extra. And then obviously that More Pacific product was an extra item. So thank you guys for watching. I will link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Allure with my affiliate link. That is an affiliate code, but I do pay for this box. So thank you for watching, as always. I'm so appreciative, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic new year and everything is coming up roses, and it is amazing, and it's way better than 2020. Can we just put out all the positivity we can? And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this video. Leave some comments, likes, whatever. Tell me what you don't like. I don't care. Just be honest, right? And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.